down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life.
What's up, you guys? It's Belle and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga latest video na ina-upload ko like this. And so for today's video guys, sobrang exciting ng gagawin natin ngayon dahil isi-share ko sa inyo yung some DIY home photoshoot ideas na pwede natin gawin. Alam ko na wala na tayong ma-share na latest photos sa Instagram, sa Facebook, dahil hindi nga tayo pwedeng lumabas. You just need some props na pwede nyong gamitin na meron kayo sa bahay. And you can ask some help para mag-picture sa inyo. Like yung sister ninyo, yung brother ninyo, mama, or pwede nyo din iset yung timer ng camera ninyo or yung phone ninyo. And if you wanna know how I achieved this one, and this one, just keep on watching. Guys, for this one, I use newspaper as my background dahil may mga lumang newspaper pa naman kami dito. And ito na lang yung gagamitin ko bago itapon. And you can use also your magazines if wala ko yung newspaper. So, yeah, tapos na siya guys. Mag-aayos muna ako. Mag-makeup muna ako ay magpapalit ng damit for the photo.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up.
For the next one, I use the plans of my mom, but make sure guys na magpapaalam muna kayo dahil alam mo naman, baka mapagalitan tayo. So, ayan, don't mind my lukot-lukot na damit. Hindi ko kasi siya na-plan dyan.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone.
Need your TV and YouTube, then search nyo lang yung colorful graphic videos or abstract videos. Then yun yung pwedeng paggamitin natin ng background. So, ayan. And make sure guys na i-turn off yung light. Yes, para maganda siyang tignan.
I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get old, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. And please comment down below sa mga pictures na nagustuhan ninyo. And you can share with me also your creative photos na pwede kong i-share sa Instagram story ko. And please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next vlog, guys. Stay safe always. Bye.